Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like I love, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. And sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Pero hindi halata. Inside, gusto na sumabog ng ulo ko. Kain kami ngayon ng cereal. Coco Crunch. Sakit din ng mata ko pag tumatapat ako sa cellphone at computer. Hindi din alam kung bakit, pero kapag may sakit, gusto ko ng noodles. Am I hot?
Of course, mentally and physically.
Wow.
Can you get a tissue, bro?
Clean up daw yung table bago ko daw i-vlog yung ipapakita ko. Ayan, yung purple hearts vitamins. Kita ko lang yan sa vlog ni Doc Alvin sa TikTok niya, kaya napabili kami. May ibang vitamins pa. Vitamin C tsaka multivitamins na syrup. Kay Mikay capsule. Unboxing. Tignan natin ang mga napamili. Ice Cosmetic Dare to Do makeup set. Ayan siya. Mga minis to. Pero tatlo na siya. Ay, apat na sa isang package. Pangre-regalo ko. May ano nga lang. May sira pero yung loob naman yan safe. So, B&B face powder. Minamassage ako ni Kirsten. Ayaw niya magpakita sa vlog. Ako na lang. Sakit talaga ng ulo ko, as in, para sa sabog talaga. Pero hindi ako makatulog. Thanks, Kirsten. Medyo umokay-okay na yung pakiramdam ko kasi uminom ako ng gamot. Pero anyways, baka ito yung gawin ko today. Mag-ano ko ng mga gifts. Magbabalot na, tsaka aayusin ko ito. Baka itulak ko tong ano. Tulak ko to kasi para may space tayo sa mga gift. Ito na ang ating mga gifts. Actually, mga pambata halos yung mga nabili namin. And marami pang kulang. Pero check pa natin yan kasi may listahan naman ako. Saka ko na yan aayusin for picture pag malapit na magpasko. Pero for now, okay na muna yan. And ito na lang yung babalutin ko kasi ang laki. Ang hirap balutin yan. Ito ang aking panganay na anak. Tingnan nyo kung anong ginagawa. Naglalaro siya. Anong laro yan?
Octopath Traveler.
Octopath Traveler daw. O, diba? Yung laptop nakakonect sa TV. Dalawang kuryente. Gumawa ako ng coffee. Tignan nyo. Carmen's Best Salted Caramel Milk. Hinalo ko na lang dito yung coffee kasi nga masisira na yung gatas para hindi masayang. Yan. Kape tayo. So, luluto ang mga bata ng buldak, cheese, tsaka itong isa, yung color pink. Carbonara. Cravings namin today ay samyang. Monday, holiday naman ngayon. Actually, ang sakit ng ulo ko kanina, sobra as in. Yun pala, kailangan ko lang talaga ng tulog at pahinga. Kasi, yun nga, this past few days, ang dami namin talagang lakad. Siguro napagod yung katawan. Ngayong week pala, magki-Christmas party ng 12, 12, 13. Tapos, may event yung mga bata sa Sunday kasi may sila, parang sasayaw. Merienda, charap. Buldak, and then we have bread.
Doon mo na, alak.
Si Daddy nag-ano pa ng cheese. Oo nga, kakalat dito. Thank you, Kirsten. Kain tayo.
Tung 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 tung. Little bro looks like a dead blood like a million. Little blood Einstein. It's blood Epstein. I think we're gonna swim into turbulence. 6, 7, 6, 7, 7. Tung tung sa Mama sarap, mama sarap. Kaya mong isisigaw sa ilalim ng buwan. Ay titigan at tawagan natin kamahal. Isasayaw ka na dahan-dahan hanggang di mo mamalayan ako na pala yung kailangan at gusto kong mamahalaan.
Our ulam for today ay fried chicken and tofu. Si Ate Lana na nagluto niyan. Kayla's gonna unbox the capybara.
Capibarello ko kusini.
I hope it's cute. Why people are so obsessed with capybara or kids?
They're cute. I'm gonna look at it. Aww. Wait, it's the one with the watermelon.
Let me see. Oh, it's so cute. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh my, that's cute.
I'm gonna open my Christmas gift early. I'm just kidding. I bought this.
It's a water gun.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab this.
It's green and orange water gun. Nabili ko sa Our Home Online. Ang ganda niya. Lalagyanan ng mga fruits. Mag-New Year na eh, para may lalagyanan kami. Tapos umiikot siya. It's time! Magbabalot na ako ng regalo. So, meron ako dito. I think 125 pesos lang to sa TikTok. 50 pieces na yan na pambalot. Yun nga lang, random siya. Pero again, lahat naman ng design is very giving. Giving Christmas vibes. Kaya, okay na yan. What are you doing?
Watering the plant.
Using what?
My water gun.
Say hi here.
Hi.
Show mo yung gun mo. Already 9 p.m. and pupunta na kaming Las Piñas dahil hihahatid na namin si Kirsten.
So greedy. Stop trying to take
Bye, Kirsten. Bye. Oh, ang likot nilang dalawa talaga. Hindi makapagtiis.
Gusto ko ng pupo.
Pinala ko yung coffee na ginawa ko kanina. Nasarapan kasi si MJ. You like it?
Lagi naman sasarapan sa mga gawa mo.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, go. Your mom was home on your left. You're right. Your father was home on your left. You're right. Your brother was home on your left. You're right. Your sister was home on your left. You're right. The dog was home on your left. You're right. The cat was home on your left. You're right. The fish was home on your left. You're right. Your father, your mother, your brother, your brother, your sister, your dog, the cat, the fish was home on your left. You're right. I left my home. I left my home. To join the army. To join the army. I left my home. I left my home. To join the army. To join the army. When I left my home. When I left my home. Mama cried. My mama cried. She knew that I would surely die. Would surely die. I left my home. I left my
Dito na kami sa Las Piñas. Ayan ang design nila. Lagi may design kasi dyan eh. Very simple lang. Ingay nila, oh.
Off my chest, I'm telling you to stay. That when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like I love, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you.
May bababa kasi. Tulog na ba si Mama? Si Gian. Hi ka naman dyan.
Kristen! Uy!
Sige, Gian, di pa nababa. Dito kami, uy, naka-flash pala. Pero dito kami dumaan sa may Lancaster. Tingnan nyo, may mga pailaw na sila sa puno.